this extra review, we're going to talk about the volume of pyramids, cones, and spheres. So whenever you're trying to find volume, again, identify the shape. Okay? We look at number one, everything is coming to a point. So we would say this is a pyramid. So write down the formula for the volume of a pyramid. And third, area of the base times the height. So look on your formula sheet, find pyramid, write it down. Just like the other ones, we have to find those three missing pieces. So or two missing pieces. We're going to find the area of the base, and we're going to find the height. Well, look at the base. Our base is this shape right here. Again, generally in a pyramid, the shape will be a rectangle or a square, some sort of shape like that. And find the area. Well, the formula for area, in this case, it's a square because those two sides are the same. It's just base times height. The base of your base is 7. The height of your base is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. The height of your pyramid is what is going up and down. Kind of right through the center, makes a right angle, so our height is this guy right here, which is 11. We have our two pieces. Plug them into the formula, and then plug everything into your calculator. So 1/3 of the area of the base times height. Again, in your calculator, you do 1/3 times 49 times 11. And this time you do get a decimal, that's okay, just round. It's 179.7. It's really important to label your answer. So in this case, it's going to be inches. You can always cube it because we are finding the volume. Go ahead if you need to pause. We're going to move on to number 2. I'm going to erase a little bit of number 1 so we have room. So again, if you need to pause it before I erase. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so look at number 2. Again, identify the shape. It's a cone. It looks like an ice cream cone. That's a good indicator that it's a cone. So write down that formula. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Identify your two pieces. We need to find the radius and we need to find the height. In this instance, we were given the diameter because it goes all the way across the circle. Cut it in half to get the radius. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The height, again, is the part that goes all the way through. So in this case, our height is 14. Plug in your pieces into the formula. And plug everything in your calculator but pi. You want to leave it in terms of pi. Unless it's a real world problem, then we generally don't. So you plug everything but pi into your calculator. So all you're going to do is do 1/3 times 6 squared times 14. So 1/3 times 6 squared times 14. And when you do that, you get 168. Remember to tack on pi and label. This is going to be feet cubed. Always cubed when you are finding the volume. Again, pause if you need to. We're going to move on to number 3. identify the shape. This shape is a sphere. So write down the formula for the volume of a sphere. Look off your formula sheet. It's 4/3 pi r cubed. Now I like finding the volume of spheres because you only have to find one part. It's the radius. And if we look across here, we were given the diameter. So cut it in half. So you have to do 72 divided by 2. Our radius is 36. It's a really big sphere. Okay. Once you find that value, just go ahead, plug it in. You might get a fairly big number on this one, and that's okay. Sometimes they're bigger numbers. Again, plug everything in but pi. You're going to plug in 4/3 times 36 cubed in your calculator. And 4/3 times 36 cubed. It's a really big number, and that's okay. You get 62,208. Don't forget to tack on the pi and label inches cubed. If you need help with your calculator, please make sure you're asking one of us. We're happy to come by and show you how to plug things in. Again, we are going to do 1, 2, we just did 1, 2, and 3 together. You're going to do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Those are on the back of the sheet. And then when you're done with those 3 problems on the back, remember, check your answers with the key to make sure you are doing it correctly. If you need to, rewatch the video.